Hi, the next little batch of bulbs. These are mainly from America. There may be one exception which isn't, but the majority are definitely American. The first one we have is a tubular lamp. Got the price on there, $1. Tubular lamp. GE Lighting, General Electric Company, Neela Park, Cleveland, Ohio. This would have been certainly made in America. Remove it from its sleeve. I think these were called showcase lamps. They're tubular, similar to the other one I showed on a previous video. This one has got outside frost, which is unusual to find this on English made lamps, but obviously American lamps, they did use this. It's an outside frost. If you look inside, it's exactly the same construction as the other one. You've got the stem and the filament supported. This has got the normal size base, aluminium base. And at the end, 25 watt GE in the little ring with the hooks, 130 volt. So this one would have obviously been possibly a longer lasting lamp, because I believe you use a higher voltage, you get more hours out of the lamp. But there we are. This is a tubular showcase lamp. I know you can use them above fish tanks. I have seen them used. And in fly catchers over here, they used a similar lamp to this, not as well made as this one, which had like a bluey glass or blue coating on the glass, and it was supposed to attract the flies and that to the zapper. Anyhow, that's that one. The next one I had sent over from America many years ago by a gentleman that lived in the other Kentucky area. Well, that was the state Kentucky. He seems to have dropped out of everything now. He was on the one of the bulb forums. His name was Scott, so if he happens to see this, give us a shout. If anyone knows him, give us a shout. I'd like to know. It was many years ago now, though. And he sent these across. It's made by a company which, Abaco. I think they're imported lamps. Guess where they're imported from? Oh yeah. Manufactured for Angelo Brothers Company, Philadelphia. It's in Pennsylvania. Made in China, and it's dated 1990. So that gives you an idea, that was quite old. It's actually a low voltage. It's 40 watt at 12 volt. Rather an unusual voltage, I would have thought. Anyhow, let's take it out of the box and have a little look at it. There we are. It's one of the other bent tip types, but as you can see, not a standard filament at all. You can see by the thickness of it that it is quite a low voltage filament. It's got a candelabra base, which is also a base which is rarely used in England. It's got something written on the base. Possibly says the voltage, and I can't really make it out. Anyhow, there's the bulb. Bent tip, candle shaped, bent tip, and low voltage. Up next is a lamp which its use could have been used in a microwave as interior light. It's 220 volt, 15 watt. It's what we also call a sign type lamp for signs, but it looks slightly different shape. but I'm pretty sure it was either made in Europe or possibly in China. It's intact, as you can see, the other filament's intact. Small Edison base. Possibly a microwave interior light, or even an interior light for a fridge. Anyhow, it's that one. Here we've jumped across to America. GE 25 watt, 12 volt SP. Whether that stands for special, I don't know. But it's GE 25 watt at 12 volts. Looking at the filament, I would say it's intact. Yes, it's intact. It's a vertical type filament. Difficult to show. Get a rough idea what the filament's like. But then it's a small bayonet cap, single pole, and it's a reflector type lamp. May have been used in visual display units or something like that, I would think. I don't know, it's just a guess. Anyway, we'll come to the last one, which I've left in the folder or the cover. It's an appliance lamp, 15 watts, 120 volts, Sylvania. And that's got all its uses: ovens, refrigerators, cleaners, sewing machines, panel displays, ovens, washers, etc. in the 2 languages. Now this one is marked Osram Sylvania, so it was obviously soon after Sylvania was obtained by Osram, or bought out by Osram. It's got all the bits and bobs down the bottom there. Sylvania, a registered trademark of Osram Sylvania Inc. I don't know the age of this one, but it's a few years old. But as you can see, it's still showing the Sylvania name. The Osram name hasn't become widely used as yet, but obviously it probably would have soon become available. It's interesting to note that Sylvania in Europe is a totally different company, but there we are. That's the last one of that little batch. The oh, let's show the bulb. The normal zigzag type filament, small base, well, small bayonet, double pole, and that's the last one. Once again, any questions, any comments, please subscribe, and I will try and help with any answers that I can give. Thank you for watching.